Hello to everyone. Myself Habibur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Business Administration, Islamic College Autonomous, Wanembadi. Guys, today we'll discuss about our subject Principles of Management, Unit 1, Levels of Management and Management as a Profession. Guys, first we discuss about what are the levels of management. There are three levels of management. Point number one, top level management. Point number two, middle level management. Point number three, low level management. So guys, this chart explains that top level management will be at top place, middle level management will be at middle place, low level management at the lower bottom place. So guys, see this flow chart, this diagram, which shows that top level management will be at higher level. They are the senior managers. Middle level management, at middle levels, they are junior to top level management, but senior to low level management. They are middle level managers. And low level management, all the workers will come under this place, supervisor workers. They will be at bottom level. So guys, now we discussed what top level management is, what middle level management is, and what low level management is, what are their duties, responsibilities, who are there. Top level management. The top level management consists of the board of director, chairman or managing director, and assistant general manager. Top level management is responsible in setting the objectives, goals, mission, vision, and strategies at the organization. It can be explained from the following chart. Guys, I will show the chart in next slide. First, I will tell you what top level management is. They consist of board of directors, chairman, managing directors, and so on, but they are responsible for setting the objectives, organizational goals, organizational mission, long-term planning, organizational vision, and strategies, different ideas, different techniques to win in the organization, to win in the market, to beat the competitors. So who is doing planning? Top level management. Decision making, who will take decision in the company? Top level management. Now we see the chart. First, board of director, next CEO, chief executive officer, next managing director MD, and later AGM will comes, assistant general manager. Now middle level management, I already told you middle level management means junior to top level management but senior to low level management. So guys, middle level management starts from department's head. The department's head are purchase department, production department, sales department, finance department, and HR department, etc. Each department is headed by a manager and all the manager take collective decision. It can be explained in the following chart. I will show you the chart in next slide. First, I will explain what middle level management is. They are the middle level managers. Guys, listen here. There are so many departments in every organization. If it is a manufacturing company, there will be production department, sales department, finance department, HR department, advertising department, marketing department. So many departments are there. For every department, you require one manager. That is, production department manager called as production manager. Marketing department manager is called as marketing manager. Finance department manager is called as finance manager. So we'll see the chart now. Middle level management. See here, it is clearly explained here. Purchase department, purchase manager, production department, production manager, sales department, sales manager, finance department, finance manager, HR department, HR manager. So the middle level management means they are the middle level managers who are junior to top level managers. Low level management. The low level management consists of supervisors and workers. They are directly involved in production activities. So they don't have time to take part in decision making activities. So guys, low level management means they are the junior most department, junior most management level of any organization. What they do, they follow the instructions given by top level and as well as middle level management in the organization. So we'll discuss about the flow chart now. Here, low level management, supervisors will come, there is superiors we can say, and later on workers comes under place. Next, management as a profession. Guys, management is a science or an art we have discussed in last video. Now we'll discuss about, is management a profession or what? Yes guys, management is a profession. Guys, you are doing BBA. In future, you will do MBA. MBA is Master of Business Administration, which is not only a master degree, we call it as professional course. Yes, profession means what? Master in everything. The term profession refers to master in everything. If you complete management, you will become master in everything with respect to management departments. Management as a profession. The term profession refers to an occupation requiring some significant body of knowledge that is informally acquired and applied in nature. Generally, management refers to managing the people and profession refers to managing people professionally. The following are the attributes of professions: body of knowledge, facilities for formal training, self-discipline. Yes guys, management not only science and art but also a profession which has to be required so many skills, knowledges, attitudes, even sometimes we can say aptitude to solve problems which occurs in an organization. So thank you guys. Next class we'll discuss in next topics. Wish you all the best.